So IT online learning, they are not just going to expand your knowledge. However, it will train you with hands-on experience and give you the skill you need to be efficient in your role. Hi, my name is Nnanyelu. I'm a desktop support engineer. Being part of IT Online has been a life-changing and a beautiful journey. I arrived in the UK 2023 trying to secure a role in the IT world. The platform was everything I needed, from the self-paced training to the dedicated tutors to the preparation for my interviews. I finally secured a role as a desktop support engineer. I leave my house by 7:30 a.m. as my shift start by 8:30 a.m. So I get to office, then I settle down to start off my day by setting up my workstation. And first thing I do in the morning is reporting to the group for the team. I also check up my calendar to see what tasks I have to do for the day, and after that I work until 1, which is my lunch break for an hour. Then I resume work again by 2 till 4:30, and then I clear off my desk and tidy my workspace to make sure that everywhere is clean for the day. Then I close up for the day. It's not just a platform, they've been a part of my career growth, being able to do especially the lab that helps you play around with tools. IT online learning gave me the opportunity to play around certain tools, to know what they are for, and everything. I'm saying that I love everything about the training, especially to the tutors, Mr. Jerry. He tried a lot for me, especially during preparation for exams. He would just give us past questions. So IT online learning they are not just going to expand your knowledge. However, it will train you with hands-on experience and give you the skill you need to be efficient in your role. I recommend IT online very well for you guys. Try it out and you give a testimony as well, like me. Thank you.